Alright guys, I'm here to talk about ILUS. ILUS. Let's zoom out of this ridiculous 3-minute chart. Wait, why can't I move out of my okay, where's my I'll switch to the 5-minute. Maybe that'll okay, there you go. There's the 5-minute. The 5-minute chart here is looking real nice for bears. Okay, seriously though. I still am of I'm still thinking this is gonna break down. I don't know what other people are seeing. I'm seeing a stock that's just primed to break down. It's just getting ready. It's lubing up for the breakdown. Lubing up. I mean, I don't know why people get so contentious about this. It's a good thing for things to go up, and it's a good thing for it to come down. Gives us opportunities to load cheap. I mean, look at this run up here, and then it consolidated, and then it went higher, came down, consolidation. We would expect this to go lower. And if we switch to this is the 60-minute chart. If we switch to the daily, it looks even worse. Especially today. Today might if this closes under 1.6, yeah, look at that. If this closes under 1.6, we're breaking down pretty easily. We're breaking down and we're going as low as 127, more than likely. It's not going to go there immediately, just to be clear. It's not going to just suddenly. That would be terrible if we get just a huge red bar into 127. That would be pretty bad. But if I would expect it to just slowly come down. It breaks down, it slowly comes down, creates a new low. That's just how this stock likes to move, as you can see. Consolidates and then boom, it breaks down after 3 days of just red. Consolidates, boom, it just dumps. Look at this consolidation, boom. Like look at this consolidation, boom, but to the upside, followed by eventually coming down lower anyway. So I just over the next couple of weeks, I would anticipate more downside. And I'm gonna buy at 127 and under. I'm gonna start accumulating there. This is I'm thinking this is Sybil's this is kind of like the equivalent of Sybil finding its bottom. We're gonna have our pops, and now we just wait and accumulate under a certain level, and we rinse and repeat, and that's it. That's I mean, we've been waiting for this. This is a big deal here. The fact that we ran like this. Now we just need it to come back down cheaper. I don't want to buy up here. Maybe you can buy up here. I'm gonna wait. I've learned from my mistakes. I'll wait for 127. If it doesn't hold there, then I'm not buying. If I need to see it hold at 127, I'm not just gonna blindly throw money at it at 127. If it holds at 127, I'll buy some. If it doesn't, I'll let it fall down to 1 penny, and that would be my next level to add. I'm marked by this yellow line. And then at that point, I'm just going to add. Regardless if it goes lower to 0.005, I'm still going to start accumulating under a penny and under. I'm going to add 127 only if it holds. Here, I'm not adding. If I added here, let's just say I added here like a fool and bought at 176. Let's pretend like I'm just a huge moron who you know what? Yeah, let's pretend I'm a huge moron who bought at 182, like the very top of this wick right here. Well, now I'm down quite a bit, right? Because it's yeah, it's at 158. If this breaks down and goes to 1.2, I'm gonna be down even more, and then I'm gonna call myself an investor. Like, no, I'm not doing that. Either way, it's too many people. They want to make so much money so fast, but like, just think about what just happened. We found a bottom, we ran up. Now we're gonna retrace, and we're gonna see on this second go round we're going to see where buyers are going to hold us. Are they going to hold us at 1 penny? Are they going to hold us at 1.2? Or are we just going to let it fall to 5.5 again? Either or, I'm adding and just holding for that next swing. It's all you got to hold it for months. Clearly, it takes a long time for this thing to have any kind of a pop. And really, all it takes is some good PR. But but these people rarely drop PRs. If you remember last year. So far, so good. Hopefully, this is the beginning of more PRs that send us higher. Other than that, I don't have much else to say. This is just I just wanted to make this video going over the technicals. So it's a watch. If this doesn't hold today, right here at 1.6, I wouldn't be surprised if at the end of today, at the end of market close, we see selling pressure and this thing closes under 1.6, and then we see it dump lower, and then some people are gonna call me out and go, "Oh no, this is your fault. Stop making videos. You keep pressing the sell button like I'm some kind of big investor." Like I'm not Brett Rosen here with shares. Like I just trade it when there's opportunity. I'm not over here like, hey, let me screw with subscribers here and let me just make it go down. Like I'm just sitting here with some evil button, just ready to send it down. Like, come on, guys, that is absolutely ridiculous. Other than that, I have nothing else to add. And I guess I'll just go over some comments before I let you go. You said it was going to triple zeros less than a month ago. I don't trust your analysis at all. Look, things take time. It takes time, first of all. I don't know why people always do this, but I said it could go to triple zeros. Every time I said it could go lower, it did, and people always laughed at me for some reason. Like it kept going down, and people were still like, "No, it's not going to break 4 cents. It's not going to go to 2 cents. No, you're crazy. If it goes to 1 cent, I'm going to load big." Oh, Merry Christmas, guys! We went to double zeros. Triple zeros is possible. If people don't, if dilution combined with people not caring anymore, it's going to go to triple zeros and fast. And it takes time. I mean, it took what a year over a year to get to double zeros. So if you thought this was going to go to triple zeros tomorrow, no, it takes time to go to triple zeros. You don't have to trust my analysis, but you'll probably be buying tops. Yeah, have faith shades. When Fed starts to lower interest rates, this will skyrocket. I'll come back to this. I'll come back to this in the future. Probably March, or was it June? I think June is when they want to cut rates. We'll see what happens. If you decide to invest in your friend's idea for a restaurant, would you expect a return overnight? Absolutely not. I know an Indian guy who owns a restaurant. He's in the red. He was in the red the moment he started the idea. Restaurants are a bad idea. I know a lot of people who started restaurants and they decided to start a personal a, a gym because that's actually more profitable and a lot less investment. I mean, there's still some upfront. I mean, equipment is pretty expensive. It can cost you like 50K. Well, to furnish a place with equipment, fitness equipment. But yeah, no, I would never. First of all, I would never invest in a restaurant, and I would not expect a return for never. Actually, it's a pretty bad idea, especially right now. Would you expect a return overnight, a week, a month? No, absolutely not. That's why I wouldn't put any money into it. So stop expecting the same year. You should give caution to your viewers that you are a trader and not a long-term investor. I think that's pretty obvious. I don't think I should give caution. Candid Booty 343. I don't know if I could take someone serious with that kind of name. At least change your name to something. Candid Booty. We know where this guy's mind is at. Or girl. Could be a girl. I mean, you never know. Not gonna assume. But yeah. Yeah, I would never invest in someone's restaurant because that's just a nah. You better have something. Nah, I know too many people who tried starting restaurants and it never worked out. It's just bad. Like you're better off buying a computer and learning to code. Like buy a ThinkPad off of eBay and just start your own software company. You have a better chance and it's cheaper because you just need a computer and just sit on the floor at McDonald's. Well, not on the floor at McDonald's, but you get the point. No, no, like I'm not investing in a restaurant. I'll still click the heart though. I get what you're saying. For long term investors, definitely just start adding under a penny. Um, but for traders, I mean, same thing. Why not add it a penny? OTC looking like it might be finally heating up. Oh yeah, for sure. I got my eyes on some penny stocks right now. Yeah, you got to start paying attention to Mullen Automotive. No, thank you. That thing is trash. Uh, if you are receiving compensation from Steve Reinhardt, can you please include a disclaimer? I think that's a bot. I think that's it for Ilus comments. This guy keeps this guy keeps leaving the same comments. Your analysis is really not good. I don't think you know what you're doing. Maybe I'm wrong? Question mark. Higher lows, what bear flag? So yeah, higher lows, what bear flag? I don't know what this guy's seeing. He said this 4 days ago. One, two, three, four. Yeah, I was seeing a bear flag. Here, I was seeing a bear flag right here. If this breaks down, we're gonna break down. Like, what do you mean? What am I going to tell you? That's just what my analysis told me. If that guy's seeing something else, I don't know what his trading strategy is, but it clearly revolves around just throwing money at it and hoping for the best, probably. Because he doesn't see a bear flag. He sees higher lows, guys. Look at those higher lows. Woo! Wow, such higher lows. All right, I'm done being sarcastic and having fun here. I'll see you guys in the next one.